Alright folks, today is the day. I'm over here at Fury Motors in Stillwater, Minnesota. I'm going to be taking a quick drive of the brand new JL Rubicon. I'm really excited. I haven't got to do a video of us driving one yet. I got Cody as a volunteer to help me with this video. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, here she is. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll see that I have a couple of other videos of this vehicle, but I don't have any driving videos. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sit in the passenger seat. Cody is going to give you some reactions as we drive. We're going to go and do some commentary. We're going to get him lunch, and it's going to be a fantastic day. What do you think, Cody?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Let's fucking do it. All right, let's send it. All right, here we go. My first driving video. I'm excited.
Buckle up for safety. Like the little.
All right, we need to get rid of that music.
Little key fob holder.
That shit will get copyrighted real quick. We need to. No music.
Your little key fob holder.
Oh, key fob holder. I learned something new today, folks.
Oh yeah.
Key fob holder in between, so you don't have to sacrifice your drink storage. That's nice. Let's get the heat going good here. Do it like this here.
Should I get that heated seat going?
Yeah, no kidding.
It doesn't have cold weather group.
It doesn't have cold weather group? No?
That's alright. We've got our auxiliary buttons down here though, with our sway bar disconnect and our front and rear
yeah, because we're gonna send
differentials.
We're just gonna send it.
We're just gonna send it.
This thing doesn't have cold weather group, huh? Huh.
You don't need it when you're shredding through the freaking mountains.
When you're fucking sending it, you don't need it.
When you're shredding through the mountains, you don't need cold weather group.
Yeah,
top off.
Nice.
One thing that I really like about these are the 8-speed transmissions.
Oh yeah.
Really give these things some freaking get up.
Here we go. We're just gonna send it.
Look at that pickup.
Yeah, these do have really good acceleration compared to the 5-speed autos they put in the JK.
Like mine's a turd. It's a dog.
It's night and day difference.
It's a turd. Yeah. It's actually, it drives super straight too. Like, I mean, you're not getting like that road wiggle and stuff too. It's pretty freaking awesome.
Yeah, we're all jacked up. We love the JL. Cody actually owns a, what is it, a 17 JK?
2017
2017 JK. So you're getting that JK owner's perspective compared to the new Rubicon JL. Yeah, these things accelerate really well. And that was one of the first things I noticed. I actually put it down on the Nacho Clear Coat when I was driving back from South St. Paul. I put her down pretty good, and I actually spun the back tires because I just broke loose. There's all that power. We're just sending it.
0 to 50 in like 3 seconds as opposed to 0 to 50 eventually, right? Let's go.
Yeah, I really like the shift knobs on these. I just come back to the shift knob.
Yeah.
Reminds you of that 1941 Jeep.
That interior design that they did with these, I mean, that 8.4-inch touchscreen, that's huge for people, you know?
Yeah, totally. It's really easy to use. I've mentioned that in a couple of my other videos, how much I like the Uconnect usability. I know how to use it. It's got all the buttons on the bottom. It's like, I feel like I'm using my MacBook Pro. You just hop in, you're like, oh, I want this, and you do it. You know, it's very easy usability.
Another thing they did right was the old shit handles, you know?
The old shit handles, because it's a Jeep. I got one here, I got one here, so I'm ready for action no matter what happens. I got 2 hands of oh shit happening up in here.
Grandma can just freaking jump right in now. She just grabs herself, pulls herself right up, you know?
Absolutely.
Don't got to worry about trying to jump in and hit your head on the top of the freaking door or something stupid like that.
So where are we headed for lunch?
We're going to Brian's.
Going to Brian's, all right. We're headed to Brian's, folks. What are we gonna get, a sandwich or something?
Oh yeah.
What do they even have there? I don't really eat there.
A cold deli store.
Cold deli store?
Yeah.
All right.
But they get sandwiches and stuff too.
I feel you. Just doing a little look around in here, in case you haven't seen any of my other JL Rubicon videos.
We also don't got that clunky big rear view mirror anymore.
Yeah, this one's nice.
So you got your SOS and your assist buttons on top. So this is actually like an edge-to-edge mirror.
It's a true mirror all the way around. That's nice. Yeah, and I thought the rear visibility out the back is really nice. It seems like you can see a lot better out like the back side windows as well as just straight back. versus the JK. They kind of got the rear wiper out of out of the way, they repositioned that so you can see better out the back. That's nice.
Tucks right behind the spare tire.
Right. Yeah. So here we are over at Brian's. Oh, are we gonna send it? No, we're gonna wait. A little timid on the send on that one.
I can't afford this thing.
Yeah, I know. This thing's too expensive to crash. Plus, we both cry, so
Right.
there's no need for that.
One of my other faves on these things are the backup camera.
Backup camera.
Oh yeah.
Send it to the backup camera.
Look at
Obviously, it has a bunch of crap on it, so you can't see that good. But
Oh yeah.
yeah, that was one of my favorite features I have in my 5 things I love about the JL.
Oh yeah.
Backup camera was on there.
Oh yeah. So now I'm not gonna back over the snowbank like I normally do.
Right. Which would be fine. It's a Jeep.
It makes you feel badass.
Yeah,
but,
it's a Jeep thing.
It's whatever.
All right, we're gonna cut it here. He's gonna go get himself a sandwich. All right, so we're headed into Brian's to get a sandwich. Take a quick look at the front of the car. Oh, and now she's remote started. Check out those lights. That's nice. All right, let's go get a sandwich. Brian's Market in Stillwater, Minnesota. Check them out if you want a good sandwich. All right, we're back in action after our brief pit stop. I got some amazing Australian style soft eating licorice. Cody got a shit ton of lunch food, a sandwich, and all kinds of stuff. And we're right back at them. Back doing more Jeep stuff. Buckle up for safety, children. All right. Maybe I should do this video towards my face this time. I don't know if I care. So I don't have a dash mount camera, but this is how we're gonna do it. We'll get a little facial commentary for the second half of this video as we head back to Fury Motors. Give you a little bit more general reaction. Look at Cody's beautiful face. Subscribe for Cody's beautiful face. I'll be bringing more of that shit at you soon. But yeah, look at that rear visibility, man. You can see really good out of here. That's nice. See what everybody's doing? Boom, we got the backup camera going while we're driving forward. How about that?
No, that's for?
What's that for?
For those assholes who are just riding your ass so bad,
right?
You can check their license plate and call the cops on them.
That's right.
I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy. If they're riding your ass, I understand you're gonna get pissed off and mad, but don't call the cops on the poor people. Come on.
Some wise words from Cody. All right, so we're back to the face. All right, this might be the best view right here.
There we go. You need a mount right there.
I know. I need the mount to be like right here or here. But for now, we just got the $5 selfie stick from Walmart, so that's pretty lit. You got to do what you got to do, right? I just haven't gathered the right equipment to do the videos. You know, that's why I've been doing mostly the reviews without the driving videos. But you know, sometimes you just got to make do in life. You got to improvise. Oh, and here we go. We hit hyperspeed. It's going down. Hell yeah. Flying by this asshole. No, he's a nice guy. I'm sure he's a nice guy.
He's got a Fury sticker, so he is a nice guy. You know that.
Oh.
Oh. He looked
at us.
He's an ass. He's an ass.
No, he bought a car at Fury Motors. He's obviously awesome.
Did you see that look he gave us though? He must have not seen the stickers. There's no way. Or it was
That's
just
all right.
Wow. And
That's all right. Yeah, he just likes the JL. He just likes the Rubicon JL. He's just jelly. His drop was probably just dropping. He was just like, damn, hitting that drool mode. I don't blame him.
I personally didn't like the guy.
I didn't see the look, so it's hard to say.
Yeah, he was like, looked like Jose. Seriously.
Shout out Cars by Jose.
Shout out Cars by Jose.
Shout out Stillwater Area High School. I don't know how good you can see it because I can't see it, but.
Oh, did you hear that engine shut off feature?
We just hit that auto stop start. We got zero RPM.
Ready? Listen.
Oh,
she's back and running.
She's
again.
back and ready to go. Take your foot off the brake
and
just launch it right into hyperspeed, just like that.
Oh, yeah. I feel like I'm in the Jetsons. Oh.
Cody just wants to swap an 8-speed auto into his JK. He wants that acceleration. Oh, it's,
I mean, it's
possible,
but my bank account doesn't.
Right, it's like, oh, too much gravy. That'd be a couple grand at least.
All my money's in my savings to transfer to my checking, you know.
Yeah. Alright, so we're almost back to Fury. Got to take some thumbnail photos when we get done with this. Got to do more badass Jeep stuff today. It's going down.
I really do like the ride of it though. Honestly,
Yeah,
like
it's got a really good ride quality.
Very good.
Even though it's got those big off-road Wrangler tires, it still has a really smooth ride, which is surprising. You know, sometimes you put those big tires on there and they're really knobby and you get the road hum and all that Jeep stuff. But it does have a pretty comfortable ride from what I can tell.
They really improved like the cabin noise too.
Yeah, the cabin noise is definitely not what it used to be.
No.
When you're on the highway, it whistles a little bit with the wind, but not like it was, because they changed the shape of the front glass a little bit. The front whole windshield area is a little bit less vertical, so that helps. Let's see if Cody can back up with the backup camera.
Barely.
Barely. We're just gonna keep trying to get it in the right spot until we get there.
Trying to split the crack.
Yeah. Trying to split the crack. Here we go. Let's see if Cody can do it. I have faith in you, Cody. Oh. He's a perfectionist. He just wants to get it just so.
Can you cut this part out of the video? No, I'm
He wants me to cut it. It's because he's a bad driver.
I'm not.
He's not. All right, that's it. That's all we have for you today. If you liked anything in the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Shout out to Cody. If you want to see Cody in any future videos, definitely leave a comment below and we'll make it happen.
Oh yeah.
Come on down to Fury Motors, buy this beautiful brand new Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon, and I'll see you in another video.